Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change private to public on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the three lines which you can click on. We have the home, issues, and pull requests. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have the set status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change private to public on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you need to do to change a GitHub repository from private to public is to go navigate to the repository. So click on your repository as I did now, and go to the main page of the repository on GitHub. Access settings, click the settings, which is the last thing on the tab here in the upper tab. Scroll to the danger zone. So basically scroll. Here we have the danger zone section at the bottom of this page. Then change visibility. Click on the change visibility button next to change repository visibility. So you can check it out here, this red button here. Confirm the change, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.